Guys, I made money on TikTok. And this is crazy. I never did I ever imagine that I would be making money on TikTok. So last year, I deactivated my TikTok account because I was literally just frustrated about TikTok. I had been posting on TikTok like 3 or 4 times daily and it wasn't going anywhere. However, I had like 2,000 subscribers or a little over 2,000 subscribers. And so I totally shut down that account. I deactivated it. And for some reason, 4 weeks ago, or maybe a little over 4 weeks ago, I decided that, okay, you know what, let me reactivate my TikTok account, and start to like post my normal short form content in there, because I'm like, you know what, there's no point. I have this content. It doesn't matter if it's going to blow. It doesn't matter if people are going to like it. I'm already posting it on YouTube and Instagram anyway. So why not just post it on TikTok, right? So I go into TikTok, I reactivated my account, and I started to post my short videos, the normal ones that I post on YouTube and on Instagram. And 2 days after I activated the account, I got a notification that said that I had been invited to the Creator Pilot Program. Now, I do not even know what this is. I have never heard of it before. I have never used it before, but you know what? They said Creator Pilot Program. And so I accepted it, and I started to read about the Creator Pilot Program, and I saw that it meant that you could make shoppable videos and you could become an affiliate on TikTok. However, because I have 2,000 and some followers on TikTok, that means I'm allowed to create just 5 videos per week. But if I had 5,000 followers, I can create unlimited videos. And so I said, okay, you know what? Let me start to, make these videos. Anyway, I saw a really nice mug on TikTok, and I decided that, okay, you know what, I'm going to buy this mug because first of all, I like it, and next, let me try and advertise it. So I purchased one for myself, and now I started to make videos and attach the link for this mug into my thing. And all of a sudden, the very first day I made a shoppable video, I saw that I had made $2. I'm like, wait, that is not possible, because I'm an affiliate on Amazon, and if you use my link to buy something worth like $100 or even more, maybe my profits will be like $1.50 or something like that. But the earning on TikTok as a TikTok affiliate was crazy. And so I started to put more shoppable videos out there, and guys, I have started to make money off of TikTok. And I'm like, listen, if you're not making money in 2025, if you're not making money online, I don't know what you're doing, because there are endless opportunities. There's an endless world of opportunities, like it's infinite. And a lot of people are just sitting there and waiting for the businesses to fall on their laps. The opportunities are there. You have the opportunity to go viral. You have the opportunity to create income for yourself. You have the opportunity to make wealth. You have the opportunity to do all of these things yourself. And like I always tell people, if there's a potential for $1 in something, that means there's a potential for $1 million if you follow up with it. And so I saw that, oh my God, it is possible to earn off of TikTok, to make money off of TikTok. And so I gathered momentum, and I started to continue to post, and I continued to post. And of course, my revenue continued to increase. I can't wait till I hit 5,000 subscribers so that I can make 5,000 followers on TikTok, so that I can make unlimited shoppable videos. But go to TikTok, try and build rapport with people, try and communicate with people, try and gather followers, create that original content. Do you understand? Like, TikTok is the place to be. TikTok is the e-commerce place to be right now. Like, whenever I log onto TikTok, it feels like I'm entering into a virtual Chinatown. Do you understand? Create the rapport, build your followership, and start to sell. If I could sell on the very first day, imagine how much I would have sold at the end of the day. So stop sitting in the house and wondering why God is not answering you, or why you do not have money, or why you cannot pay your bills yet. You have to put in the work. You have to put in the work. And so I decided that I was going to come on here to tell you that, listen, if you plan to make money starting from now, if you plan to start a business, if you plan to do any of those things, I want you to go ahead and start now, because you already have everything inside of you that you need to start. And if you need help, go to the link in the description box and join the Aligned Women Academy. In the Aligned Women Academy, we teach everything business, online representation, vision boarding, content creation. We teach everything. In fact, in January, we're running a challenge, a 30 days to becoming a CEO challenge. It's an amazing community. Join us there. Like women like you over there are making money from the internet. And so if this is you, go ahead and join us. Listen, guys, there is no excuse. There's money online. And I heard that the creator economy is going in, has been projected to reach the trillions of dollars in 2026. How much of that is going to come into your pocket? The choice is yours. Now, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Have an amazing day. My name is Toperich. Ciao, ciao.